We begin with a heat wave that is burning up history, becoming the world's most severe heat wave that has ever hit North America. Temperatures are about 10 degrees above average and have been constant for days now, leaving the local residents burning for answers.
Heat waves are very high summer temperatures resulting from certain combinations of temperature, humidity, and air movement. The possible warning signs may include
Experience serious illnesses due to the heat, such as heat exhaustion that can further develop into heat stroke, and if you experience any of these symptoms such as heavy sweating, weakness, dizziness, nausea and vomiting, and fainting, please call 911 immediately.
In order to reduce your risk, you must
slow down. Do not perform any extreme activities. Remain in the shade or within an air-conditioned or well-ventilated building. Dress for summer, wearing lightweight and light-colored clothing and some protective gear. Drink plenty of water and other non-alcoholic fluids. Avoid salty snacks because they'll reduce your fluid levels. And avoid getting sunburns or being out in the sun for prolonged periods.